Look at the bag size difference. Little Mondo. You got a Mondo bag. I got a little baby bag. Because this is my first time trying it. Oh look, they put the tickets in. So I got the signature boil with half a pound of crab or crawfish, 2 blue crab, and the Tangy special blend mild. Okay. I'm excited. I don't usually use gloves, but...
How many corns you got?
2. If you don't want your third one, you don't even be eating your corn. You got all them sides and you don't want to be eating it. Hold up. Do a trick. I now can put my hair up in a half ponytail with my own hair. You grab one and you wrap it around. Boom. Okay. What's up, y'all? It's Sky and you're tuning in to KAIYAROMA. Alright, I'm ready to dig into this. And hurry up. Is this ear still hot? Ooh, I see some crawfish. I see some little, well, these are small. That's why they was the same price as the freaking, I don't even know how to eat crawfish food. But I'm gonna start with something simple because I just want to try this juice, this sauce. I'm gonna do shrimp first. The mild is a nice kick. Dip it, dip it. Now, the aesthetic in there, right? It was really like chill, quiet too. Like when I walked in, at the very front, there was these 2 people sitting there, and they was eating on some like soup, like for an appetizer or something. It just felt like a dine-in. It was pretty dark, thin. This is a little crawfish. I don't know how to eat it. They would let me eat it. I know they say you twist the tail, right? No. A half a pound. I said a half a pound of crawfish, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, including the one I just ate. And that's it. Is that half a pound? Maybe. I guess so. They're not super tiny, but they. Like a little lobster. Now, what did my mom say? Yeah, she said she didn't like that the sauce was runny. It is like drippy, drippy. See, it's drippy, drippy. A lot of sauces be thick, like creamy. Not creamy. What's the word? Sausage. I don't know.
Thick.
Thick. And this is juicy. Got sausage in here. I usually don't care for sausage stuff. And I only have 1. It looked like they gave me, yeah, 1 cluster. 1 little cluster. That's all mine. So yeah, I'm happy that we got a little seafood boil spot because I felt like I was just saying that. And we recently, well, not that recent. When was that? That was Halloween. We went to that crab boil place in Detroit.
Oh yeah.
I was like, oh, this place is good. We might have to just make that hour drive every time we want it. But that was in October. We ain't been back since. So it's nice to have one here. And it looks nice enough where I would want to dine in, but I don't know if it's worth it. There's something about eating seafood at home. That's better. You let go of the gloves, I see. It does kind of like mess with me. Yeah. Drip, drip, drip. I like the flavor.
Oh, yeah.
We got the Tangy special blend, which is all the flavors combined, which is, what was they?
So right now, I would say, what you call it?
It was better, what was it called? Crab Shack or something?
Crazy crab, I think.
Crazy Crab in Detroit. That was really good, that place. Hey, but what I be looking at too is how they cook them. You see how easy that just cracked? It's not overcooked or undercooked. Let's see if I can pull this straight out. Yeah. Gotta have that lemon rain. Yeah. Yeah, the gloves, I can't. I already washed my hands already. Not about to play. You try to lick your finger, you sucking on plastic. Yeah, I started with a small little bag just to try it out. I didn't want to do too much. You got a lot. I'm gonna be eating on yours probably. No.
Might not be none left.
No. Are you kind of slow? Now, the corn a little overdone. Hey, this is creepy looking. So, I don't know the proper way. I wonder, do people be getting into the nitty gritty of like the claws?
Yeah.
I don't know if it's worth it. Tastes really good though. There we go. So, I believe you twist that like that. There goes the meat.
Those crawdads. Crawdads.
Credits. Then the tail off. And the tail. One thing about me, even if I wasn't making a video, for some reason when I eat seafood, I like narrate my whole experience. Like, nice little crawfish tail meat. Now, I like the bag that everything's in there and the sauce marinating. It's just annoying to maneuver around. Like, that's just one thing I don't like. Go ahead, top camera.
I would say one for me.
Oh yeah, I got a couple more. Ooh, that's mushy in there. I ain't messing with that. Do people mess with this part? Usually. These are ribs. Oh no, that's too mushy. I can tell it's a nice good amount of butter flavor still you can taste coming through. Because I like the butter. I used to only just eat butter and lemon on my crab. Ooh! Ah! But now I like a little bit of flavor. But this Tangy special blend, you can tell they use a good amount of butter still. Like it?
Not bad.
So soft. Now this is blue crab. I also don't know how to eat this. And I usually are available close to me. Eat all the time. I just eat snow crab. But I tried blue crab like once. Yeah, I'm not sure. Little baby legs.
I don't think blue crab worked it either.
The meat's so little, yeah. They're literally blue. I don't know. That's dark meat right there. For 2 of these little babies is $14, which is the same price for a pound of snow crab. So yeah, I don't know. It's something in there that's giving a little sweet. I think this is blue meat though. This meat a little sweet.
Snow crab.
When I went in, it was like 2 people in front of me that, like, we had, if you order online, which I did, I ordered online, you go straight to the bar and pick up your food. And so technically there's only 1 person in front of me, because at first I was standing in front of the line to wait to be seated. I was just confused, like what line is for what. Got lemon rain. But even standing behind 1 person, it didn't take that long to get my food. So I wonder how long it took them to cook it. On the website it said it'll be ready in 15 minutes, but I didn't believe it.
How long did you get there?
So after I was like, dang, I should have waited a little bit later to order it. It's gonna take 15 minutes, but maybe it ain't really 15 minutes. So, like I said, I ordered it at like, it was probably like 3:15, I think. Cause I remember I started ordering at like 3:11. And then I went and picked it up at like 3:40. Almost 4 o'clock. So yeah, I guess that's pretty fast, I don't know. But I wouldn't go in there and order, because they have like, when I was standing behind the couple that wanted to dine in, I think the lady said it was a 40-minute wait for that. So that's why I just assumed, like, if they have a long wait to dine in,
That's not that bad, 40 minutes.
it ain't. But
Actually, lucky.
I'm just thinking, well, if there's orders like that, then imagine the to-go.
To-go normally quicker. At Lucky's, our wait used to be like an hour and 30. Like, no pandemic.
But yeah, and as far as like customer service, they're pretty nice. I know how to eat that straight in the park. Straight eating and don't need no drink. No burgers and crack open.
Tomorrow when I just feel like eating it.
Hey, that's just it. Is Michigan the only one with burners?
No, I can find other places, but it's not as
It's like Canada Dry,
it's not as popular
ginger ale.
in the States.
Okay. Oh, like a cockroach. Don't say it, Mark. I already know. Crabs and all these are cockroaches of the sea.
Damn, that's how my voice sounds? That's crazy.
No. Well, you were about to say it, weren't you? Yes, you was. As soon as I said cockroach. Well, they are cockroaches of the sea. That's how you sound.
No. SpongeBob never ate her.
You missed the crabs. They are the cockroaches. We are the cockroaches of the sea. Look at this nice piece from crawfish. A little baby lobster.
I think the meat like kind of dry. Not as juicy.
This is my. Oh, I'm. That's a thick little joint right here. Last crab. And I might end this video right here because all I got left is shrimp and corn and potatoes. I was debating between either getting a pound of or another cluster of snow or a cluster of that Dungeness.
Definitely still got snow.
I should have got Dungeness too.
Snow is the best.
I was in between trying Dungeness and blue. But yeah, you can't go wrong with snow. Okay.
Snow.
And the size of these aren't bad. I thought it was gonna be a little skimpy.
Snow and king crab.
Come on. I'm getting full. You got all them crabs.
I got one more cluster. Take it later.
Okay. I hate saving seafood for later. Like, I gotta get it now while it's hot and ready. Eat it all up. No matter if I'm passing out.
You're damn right.
I probably only saved seafood one time. That one when we drove. And that wasn't, we didn't even save no crab legs. It was all shrimp.
I ain't gonna lie, the last time we had that, got that crazy crab back from Detroit. And I ate it later. That shit was fire.
I just can't.
And you can't because you was looking at my bag, you remember? And you was pretty candy.
Well, I was like, dang, I could have saved some
I
legs.
gave you a leg too. You was like, I ain't talking.
I don't recall. I am full, very, very full. As you can see, I demolished my whole bag. Left the sausage in there because I don't really care for the sausage, but it was good. It was all right. My camera ended up dying, but that's it for this little mukbang, seafood boil mukbang / tangy crab review. I just wanted to show y'all, if you live in the Flint area and you haven't heard about it or seen it, or you want to know what was up with it, if it tastes good, it's really good. That was my tangy crab review. It's good. Simple little seafood boil. I'm glad we got one in the city. And yeah, who needs Red Lobster, you know? Who needs it? But no shade, Red Lobster, I'm sorry. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you want to join the KAIYAROMA crew. Is that something new I'm going to do with? I don't know. But yeah, subscribe if you want. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Closer to my destiny. Closer to the connection. Closer to my destiny.